reverse elements from an array. In short, I will just try to reverse an array. Okay, we just need to apply an approach like we need to create two methods. One method is only for to get the elements which is by default given, and the second method will try to apply the logic to reverse all the array elements from end to start, right? We can just consider like this. So what will be the time complexity of this problem statement or these two methods? Simply we can say the time complexity of this problem would be big of n, right? Already we have seen and we have sorted out a few problem statements on the basis of this time complexity, and it is like we can consider as a worst cases we can use it. So without further delay, we would like to navigate to Eclipse window and try to solve this issue. Alright, to stay connected team and watch the video till the end if you want to get the solution. So let me go to that project, as we have been working with project 2025. We have completed up to day 5. Now I'm creating a new class and giving the name as Day-6, and here we are trying to add main method. As we understood what might be my approach to complete this problem statement and get the absolute result, so we are going to create two methods here. Static void, I simply try to say before reverse, and here we'll try to pass a parameter. I can say integer array, simply I can give you a result, and here we are trying to traverse, so I have to use a for each loop, and I try to set here as integer value colon result. Alright, and let's try to print this out in console. So here I would like to say sysout, and we are just trying to give here value only, and as we'll try to get the value in a different line, or we can say next line, so we just have to write here sysout. Okay, and I'll just try to give here /n. I need to add here dotted lines, so it will be added, and then after a reverse line will be added, so this dotted line will be executed before the after reverse statement. So now we have completed our code. Let's try to initialize the array along with elements or the values, and we'll just try to check them out whether it is giving the before values correctly in the console or not. So I'm giving the name of an array as value, and we'll try to give the value as they have mentioned here, 50, 40, 30, then I can say 20 and 10. Right, we are just directly calling from here. Method name is before reverse, and we are just trying to save this. Let's run and check. Okay, now it is showing in vertical, or it is showing in horizontal. We are trying to get in horizontal, so let's just try to add like this. Alright, let's save it, let's run and check. Alright, but before is not printed, so let me try to add here sysout before reverse. We have to save, let's run and check. Alright, so you can see here all the values which they have set by default printed out in console. Now we are trying to create another method and try to apply the logic from to start, like we are just trying to get n-1 initially, and then we'll try to decrease the element. So void, I can say after reverse, and we are just trying to give the same parameter here. I can copy this and try to paste over here, and we can directly start from for loop, and or you are trying to give here integer n then result dot length, it is also fine if you're directly not applying here, but I'm giving it directly, so I can say integer I equals result dot length minus 1, and I'm giving here I greater than or equal to 0, and I'm giving here I minus minus. End of the day, I need to print the result in console. Right here sys out, and here we are trying to say result of I. All right, so there is no other statement we need to apply here. I can remove it, horizontal statement. I can give here space like this, and now we are trying to run it. So if I want to run this, what I need to do, I just try to write the statement here as we have written for before reverse. Control V, I can give here after reverse. Let's try to call the method as we have created. Okay, let me try to save this code. Let's run and check how the way we are getting the response in the console window. Okay, it is taking more spaces. Okay, let me remove this. Alright, let's save this and run and check. Alright, you see that team, we have got the result correctly, like before reverse and after reverse. Now the approach we have applied is quite common in Java programming. I hope you have understood it. If you have any question or any doubt, you can just write in comment box. So definitely I will try to respond once I am having free time. And if you like this video, kindly share with your friends and colleagues, and take the advantage of it. Thank you team, and have a great day.